In this video, we'll show you how to double crochet together. We're using Serdar stories and you'll use the yarn and hook in your pattern. Double crocheting together is a way to reduce stitches. This might be done in the pattern or in the edge. I'm going to first show you how to double crochet two together. We're going to take our yarn and our hook, and I'm going to be working in the double crochet, and I'm going to be going through 2 stitches and reducing these into 1. To do that, I'm going to work into the stitch. I'm going to grab my yarn from the back, so yarn over, pull through to the front, and instead of closing my stitch here as a double crochet, I'm going to work again into the next stitch along, going into the stitch, grabbing my yarn from the back, pulling through to the front, and now I've got 3 loops on my stitch. I'm going to yarn over and I'm going to close these all together, reducing my stitches from 2 to 1. I'm going to go through that again. So to do your double crochet 2 together, you're going to work over the next 2 stitches, doing part a stitch in each and then closing. So I'm going to go into the next stitch, yarn over, pull through to the front, and then work that same again into the next stitch across, yarn over, pull through to the front. So I've got 3 on my hook, and I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 3 to close. I'm now going to show you how you double crochet 3 stitches together. In this example, I'm going to be working into the back of the loop, but the process is still the same. Rather than working over just 2 stitches, this time we're going to work through 3. So I'm going to go into my first stitch, I'm going to go through the stitch, yarn over and pull to the front. I'm going to work through my next stitch, so through the stitch, yarn over, pull through to the front, leaving that final stage on my hook, and into my final and third stitch, through, yarn over, pull to the front. So I've now got 4 loops on my hook. I'm going to yarn over and pull through all of those 4 loops in one motion, double crocheting my 3 stitches together and decreasing. That's how you double crochet together, decreasing your stitches. Practice until you're confident and then head to serdar.com for more stitches, beginner kits, patterns and yarn.